In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily turn off comments on Facebook post. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off, open up Facebook app and then let's just make a post. Make sure you set privacy settings for your post to public. As you can see, now it is set to only me, so I need to tap right here and then switch it to public to be able to turn on or off comments for that particular post. Then to share it, we need to tap right here. After that, if we go to our profile page and then scroll down until we find our post, here it is. Now we are able to turn off comments for that post. To do that, tap right here at three dots, and that's where you can easily find who can comment on this post. If we tap on it, we'll be able to switch it to public, friends and established followers, friends, and profiles and pages you mention. In that simple way, we can turn off comments on our public post. However, if you have already a post that is currently private, it is not public, we are not able to turn off comments on that post. So if we tap at three dots, it is no longer that option showing here. That's because we need to edit this post first to make it public. So I'm just gonna tap at edit privacy, switch it to public, save the changes, and after that, if we tap right here, I think we need to refresh it. And then if we tap right here, we'll be able to turn on or off comments on that particular post in the same way. That's how you can easily turn off or on comments on your Facebook posts.